Okay, today we're going to talk a little bit about teeth maintenance and rotation on the diamond forestry head. What I normally like to do is always keep fresh and new bits on the top. I then take the top bits and I'll rotate them to the perimeter, and also at the same time rotate them 360 degrees, and if required, by using a 3-inch grinder, I'll put an edge on them. After replacing or rotating the perimeter bit, I will take those bits and usually put them on the outside of the bottom, or anywhere on the bottom side of the disc when required or needed. So we will take these off. Real quickly. I'm putting a new bit on the top side. I'll then take that bit and rotate it 180 degrees and put the two good edges, cutting edges, in the proper position. I will then take bottom bit off, which is no longer usable. I will then take the perimeter bit and rotate it 180 degrees, which you can see the inside edge is now on the outside. Put it in place. Now you'll always want to remember when replacing bits that you need to put a bit on the opposite end to keep your balance correct. Now I'm going to demonstrate the sharpening of the bits that we've rotated.
Torque them down first. You want to torque them first?
Yes. Another thing to always remember is you need to torque your bits
90 foot-pounds.
at 90 foot-pounds. We were pretty close with that one. Now we'll demonstrate putting an edge back on the bit. I like to, again, it doesn't require a whole lot of grinding, but I'll do a little on the inside and then I'll finish on an outside edge. There again, it doesn't take a whole lot just to put a little sharp edge back on the bit. Sometimes you might ask, when do you do that? Well, I like to sharpen and rotate bits when the tip becomes the equivalent of an eraser head on a pencil. That to me is blunt enough, and we've lost pretty close to 50% of the cutting edge. That is the determining factor, or the determining time in sharpening or rotating the bits.